The hell's going on? I just realized I didn't know if my audio was coming through. It is! Yay! Let's go that. Change the mix. Should be good. Alright. So we were doing a whole bunch of random shit last time we were on. He should start rolling. I'm going to keep working on mowing. And actually, speaking of mowing, I am going to do another thing on another field. Just to kind of get stuff running. My question is, should we mow field 6 just to have it done? So field 8 should be ready. Turning this thing around is going to be a pain in the ass, but let's just mow it and get it done. I don't remember why we had this thing on here. I think it was for the baler, to be honest. Since we're not going to use that right now. Because this is ready. Yes, it is. Okay. Let's go ahead and start the mower here. Oh, wait. Oh, we don't own 8 anymore. Okay, so you need to head down to 18. Yeah, you need to head down to 18. And I think what I'm going to do is actually just pull it with this to pull it down there, just to get it done. The other thing is I think I'm going to have to start that mower over again. So let's just park you right there. What else needs done? What? Okay, you don't have a worker because you're full, so I gotta go empty you. Connection was shit at the beginning, it's good now, so thank goodness there. We're gonna send the mower down to 18. I'll start the mower. I think I need to restart the forage wagon because he's not moving. Well, that is a problem. He was full. That's why he wasn't moving. I do need to change the audio output on the PC, so once this is full and I'm ready to switch over, I will. Okay, audio, go to here, perfect. Alright, should be good now. Drop frames have also dropped underneath 50%, so that's a plus. Okay, we're sitting at 140K, moving along just a little bit. Brakes, there you go. Okay, disconnect you, lower this, Ready, set, mow. I need you to start up. Gotta get rid of you. Don't you fucking... Where are you gonna go? You're gonna be dumb, aren't you? So for some reason, I don't even know why that thing skipped the end row. I have no idea. Now it's probably gonna try and hit the whole thing. Yep, there he goes. He's gonna be stupid. Alright, so that is... Everything there is rolling. I gotta get this guy back down so that he can go empty again, because he's gonna fill up rather quickly. I think mowing 6 is gonna be a bitch with this thing. But it'll just take Apple and I both running. Because right now I'm the only one on for now, and he's full again already. So I can't even take a break now, let alone with one wagon. That is why I started the other guy down low, because I'm like, you know what, if I can somehow get started at least, it would be a bonus. Oh. He did not want to sit and wait for me, which is fine. I can fill up going the other direction really fast. And really, if I wanted to, you could get like, this is 60K, so if there's a semi that holds more, you could just sit there and rotate and then have the semi maybe come drop it off somewhere. I don't know. I don't know how you could do it, because the game's not smart enough to bring it to a deposit like this, which I hate. Oh. I really don't need to lower the auger. It's not a necessary thing to do after every drop. So we'll see how that impacts us. It shouldn't. He's getting full. This guy is full. Again. God, that thing just turns so nice. Come on. I honestly think this is a better return. So even if you only did it to this field, I think you'd make more chaff on this field alone than we used to alfalfa. But in order to test it, we'd have to compare it from this year to next year. And then even so, we had some damage. I think that semi is going to be in the way, isn't it? Gonna have to switch. Wait, he's not. I don't know why he's flashing. There we go. Maybe he's not in the way, but we're gonna move him anyway. Actually, you know what? We're gonna fill him. I think this is a 40K semi. You know, this wouldn't be a bad test though. If I could set him up to load and deliver, loading location would be top of the field, and then deliver to that building. I wonder if he'd be able to do it. I honestly don't think it would work just because of the dump location, but why not? Like, let's try it. What's the worst thing that's gonna happen? It fails? So let's fill it all the way. He might be dumb and take the road, but we'll see, right? So, brakes. Okay, he's all the way full. Let's park him. Let's just say, for shits and giggles, we park him like this. Okay. So, B, load and deliver. Wait, deliver. It's looping. Okay, load position is where I am. Oh. Sell everything. No, so he can't, but he could do it here. Let's see if he does it. Like, if he does that, at least it's there, right? And then if I can set it up there, he'll just keep rolling. Okay, so he's driving to the road, which this could be the issue, right? He's going to drive to the road, he's going to turn left. Is he going to go all the way to the road, or is he going to be smart about it? Because I'm going to be honest, if he's dumb and just tries to hit shit, that's the part that's going to throw me off. Are you going to turn on the road that I created? No, because you don't recognize that as a road. So he's going to go all the way around, turn left. He's not going to be able to make it there because he's going to, the buildings are going to freak him out. Turn, okay. I mean, so far it's not terrible. Still not terrible. Still not terrible. Are you gonna turn? You are gonna try to turn. Okay, now what? Now you're gonna go that way. Are you gonna go... Okay, you're not sure. Okay, you're gonna... Okay, still so far so good. I mean, kinda. Okay, now you're gonna loop that way to make room. This is where he's stuck. He doesn't... Oh. I mean, all intents and purposes, if he can get there and dump... Okay, he's gonna dump. Now he's gonna come back down here. So yes, it did take him a little bit, but if I can make quicker turnarounds, so there he goes, he's gonna dump. And he's dumping into a building that's really not that far away, so if we have to do some loops there to get that building empty, technically I'm okay with that. Okay, so now he's gonna finish that process. Target is unreachable. Fuck you, man. It's not. It's right there. Well, I had hopes. That's gone. The target was unreachable, my ass. Like, it was literally... Where are you? This is you. Set destination. Get down there. You can't tell me that's unreachable. Ooh. Does the Combine have a full tank now? Yeah, he does. Too busy playing fuck around and find out with an AI driver that won't do what he needs to do. So you'd have to almost build a building like out in the middle of nowhere so that it could figure out where to go. Because he still hasn't left. Oh, you fuck. Okay, I'm just gonna run out there now because I'm facing this direction. So we'll go fast. Oh shit. I'm sorry, Apple. You alright? Yeah, I hear you there. Destination cannot be reached. My ass. What are you running into now? Nothing. Alright. Where is he? There he is. Probably won't be on tonight. I got you. You're good. I might switch games then, just because this is going to be taxing all by myself. So... might go over to Smart Factory. Just to kind of chill. No, you're fine. You're fine. Are you gonna chill and chat, or are you just gonna go to sleep? I get it if you go to sleep. You fuck. I'm gonna go empty this, and I'll probably hop off this game anyway. Yeah, you're good. I was trying to do I was trying to do something else and it failed. I was trying to have this semi, fuck, the other semi down there do a load and deliver in the field, at least to the silo, and it made the delivery, but it said the return trip failed. So that sucks. Yeah, and it's like, it said the destination couldn't be reached, but here's my problem. The destination's here, or the silo's there, and the field's there. It's like it doesn't want to drive across the field, which there's a part of me that understands, and there's a part of me that's like, dude, just fucking do it. Like, you've seen me do it. The tracks are there, but it just doesn't want to, so. I don't think this semi could make it to where I want it to go without me driving it. It went to the road, then went north of the farm, or not north of the farm, turned left by the bunkers, by the cattle shed, turned left, went down in between the trees, turned left again in the middle of the two buildings, went down that little alley next to the ethanol plant, and then came out in between, and it actually didn't do too bad. And then all of a sudden it just, once it unloaded, it's like, oh, destination's unable to be reached. It's like, this is why I wish you could waypoint it out and just say, okay, take this path to get there and unload here. There's no waypoint mod for console. There is one for PC where you can waypoint it out, like in fields and shit like that, but you can't. Even though you should be able to, in my head, like it should be fairly simple, they didn't make it that simple. The silo is a mod, yes. But it made it to it, it just couldn't leave it. But then when I told it to go to a spot in the field on its own, just a driving mod, it made it. Or a driving destination, it fucking made it. I'm like, how do you make it there? How do you leave the silo that you're saying is a problem underneath a different setting? I'll show you what I mean. Let me go load this bitch first. It's almost done now, so it's pointless, but I wanted it to be, like if we do field 6, it'd be nice to have a couple trailers that were doing a route. And instead it won't let you because it's like, oh no, that doesn't work. You can't do that. Yes, you can. Everything for it to do it is right there. Okay. So we're just gonna fill it here. Brakes. Turn. Alright, so it's full. B. Deliver. It is looping. So let's set the position this time and just see what happens. So we're going to set the loading position there. But I want it to go to this one. Go ahead. Start the job. Oh, excuse me. Now, he did leave. He's going to the road, which is fine. I don't care that he's going to the road. And he made it on the road. Again, I'm okay with it. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so he's gonna turn not here where I designed the fucking road for them to turn in. No, no. We're gonna go to this one and turn. Okay. You do that, guy. Buddy. Pal. He turns. Goes straight. He turns left. He's gonna turn left again. Which is really close to that building. I don't know why he's turning right there, because I designed that road. He avoids that. He's gonna get stuck for a second right about here. Oh, he did last time. Perfect. So he's gonna go, he's gonna pull in, and he's fine. He's doing it just fine. Dumps. Great. Fantastic. Unloads. Boom. Unloading is done. Thing shuts. He's got to wait for it to be all the way shut first before he can move. Once it's all the way shut, that's when he has a problem. Fuck you. I fucking hate this. Why are you stuck? Are you stuck because the other semi? There's no fucking way right now. Oh, hey, look, yeah. you figured that out. But now he's gonna go and he's gonna go, oh, there's a building here. Can't do that. And then he's gonna go. Okay. Now he's gonna go back to the same road that he turned in on. Okay, so this might work. Now he's gonna turn right. Yeah. I fucking hate how he says that. I wonder if the road mod would give us permission to build, like, roads that they would actually see. So now he's gonna drive past the road that I built. I fucking hate this game. He's gonna turn. And he's gonna go park in the field and he's gonna wait. Okay, so it might work. Now keep in mind that's only like a buffer. It's not really designed to handle... I can't... Well, actually I could. Yeah, hold on. Let's try it again. So I'm gonna fill in... I gotta fill up out of this thing though, because he's all the way empty. So, dude... Fill up. Drive off. Because my thought process is, if we can have a guy running, and then the both of us running too, that'll just be like a buffer zone. Yeah, no, I get you. I agree. I should fill him again, and then I'll empty out the harvester. Okay, so break. Okay. Yeah, 6 is gonna be nuts. I'm gonna at least park this guy underneath of him and then switch over. And we could have 2 buffers. We could have 2 semis running it for us if we want. And just have 1 dumping. Okay, so he's full now. Oh, I don't have to move. Alright, well, fuck me then. Okay, so he's gonna go to the road again. Let's watch him do this so he can say another giant F you to me. Now here is the thing though. When he does this from 6, he's gonna drive either all the way south or all the way north every time. So yes, it will be a buffer, but it's gonna be a slow return. So that's why I almost said maybe a second one wouldn't be horrible. But then again, maybe a different semi wouldn't be horrible. That one holds 55. This one holds 60. We don't want to do the really big cheater bastard. We can't do this one. Let's check him out. Okay. So he turned. We're okay. He's going to turn again to the left. Take a left. He's going to go around this building. He's going to take a left. Right here. He's gonna weeble wobble around that, the blower. He's gonna turn again. He's gonna dump. So maybe the first time was because I didn't have the return location set properly. Maybe. Now I kind of want to try it from 6 and just send him down, like drive him down there and park him, and then fill him up and tell him to load and deliver and loop it. On the road won't be so bad. Let's just see if he takes off. Yeah. Okay, so that works. Perfect. Now, let's just take him down there. I'm not thinking middle of the field, but maybe this edge. Middle of the field, he's going to find the closest road and he'll drive to it, and I don't want him to do that. As long as we can drive to the edge of the field and then send him, we'll be okay. The forage harvester might have to sit for a minute with the 3 of us running, but at least with the 3 of us running, it gives us a shot. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's do it like let's just do it right here. Let's try it here, okay? So B, okay, this, I bet you this was my problem anyway. All right, so let's do, this is gonna be his load position. He's gonna deliver to that. He's empty and he's still leaving, and I don't know why. Well, I guess that doesn't matter, because now I don't have to try it again. Oh, you know what? He's moving to his load position. I'm an idiot. Alright. Let's see if you can make it over here. For some reason I doubt it. We're going to try it anyway. Alright, where is my... There he is. Okay, let's go fill this up. Take it over there. Yeah, worker G is blocked by an object. Okay, while you're filling, I'll move the harvester. Which I hate that I even have to do that. It's like, there's something there. You need to just go around it. Like, it's not a tree, it's not an immovable object. Okay, park, fill her up. Reverse, put her in reverse, Terry. Okay, it's gonna take a second. So he is ready though, which is good. And gas. That guy still hasn't left yet. Worthless. Can't even find good help right now. Just kidding. Has he left yet? What is he doing? Dude. I can't tell if he's moving or not. Is that sad? Like, I think he's moving, but I have no idea. Alright, so. Let's do this, do that. Okay, he is set and ready to go. Boom. Why are you going that direction? I guess that's not all bad. What I'm going to do to simulate this too is I'm going to pull forward. Because more than likely I will be trying to chase that bastard down. So boom, he's full. Move out of the way. Good. Okay, he's full. He's leaving. That's a good sign. He's going to the road. He's Yep, okay. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. If he's too close to that edge, he could get stuck. There goes that semi. He is gonna, I can guarantee he's just gonna go, yeah, he's gonna go all the way around that way. Which is okay. Wait, oh, he slowed down. I thought he was gonna turn. Okay, again, think about it as a buffer. It's not the permanent fix, but if there's two of them, you could fill both, and then one of us would have to make a run. And then hopefully by the time either I would get back or one of the semis would get back, which I'm going to get back faster, we'd be okay. Now he's going to crank it. This is a good thing why we don't have traffic on. We had traffic on, he'd get stuck so many times. Okay, turning. Step on it. I know this load's heavy, but he should be able to move. The corners freak him out. I almost wonder if you set him to like 50. He's gonna slow down again. He doesn't like the corners. Like at all. And this is a big semi. He's just scared. He's just scared. Just a little guy. He's just a scared little guy. I hate that I only have chocolate left down here. I do have sour candy, I guess, if I really wanted them. Okay, some bets are he's gonna pull into the first lane instead of the middle lane, because there is a first lane, I believe, before the trees. Actually, I lied. He's gonna pull into the lane with the trees on either side. Right here. Boom. And then he's gonna go straight. Now here's a question though. When he goes back to the field, how's he gonna get to that road? Is he gonna whip it and come back down the same path that he's doing right now? Is he gonna go around the building and come back around? Is he gonna turn left? And he's gonna weasel his way in. Seems a little bit more weaselly than it was before. Crank it, turn, pivot. I already know what the end game there looks like. I just want to see if he's gonna fucking leave or not. Did we want this barley anywhere else? I don't think we can take it in our... No. We're just selling it. Okay, he's leaving. He's gonna get stuck. Because he's dumb. He's gonna go around. I called you dumb, not the other word. There you go. Yep. Nope, you can't turn that way. It's almost like the first time pathing, it just really doesn't understand. You know who else we could send that way? Big Red. We could use Big Red as a backup. We could literally use any other truck that we have. Turn left. Then he's going to turn right. Go back through the trees and turn left. Never mind, Big Red would not be able to make this. Okay, so we've seen it. We know it can work now. Again, it's not the fix. It's just a means to the end. By the way, I forgot that we sold field. Oh, what field is that? 8? I forgot that we sold field 8. Completely fucking forgot. Alright, so let's take this back. No. No. There we go. So we're going to take this back because I want to see how much we got total now. It's like this is way faster for us. So if we could path him to drive through the field, but he still has that logic of, well, I don't want to damage anything in the field. And you and I are both like, we don't care. Because it's not going to damage the field. Brakes. 155 plus what? So about what, 970, maybe 980 on shaft by itself on that field. I don't know how much. I don't remember how much alfalfa we got off that just by baling it, to be 100% honest. Oh. Oh no. Yep, fucking knew it. I thought maybe next time we'd just bale it then and see what we got. Oh, we sold the baler. We can't. Never mind. Oh, but we could just mow it and that other thing to it. Yeah, forage wagon. There you go. That would give us a true number. Whoa. So am I good to return the mower then in the... Because the only field we could do is 24 and 18. We can't do 6 yet. We have to wait for next month to do 6, and I'm not going to hold on to it for a month and pay all that cost. So I think we return it now, don't we? Because we didn't buy it. I think we bought the wagon. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Alright, let's do that. I think overall it would work. It would just take a little bit more time. But really we're running anyway. I mean, we're going crazy. That should be it. Holy. And good. I'm just gonna clean this up real fast. All right, buddy. You get good sleep, man. Take care of that family. We'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Chat with that. I'm probably gonna switch over and do a different game. Um, oh, you're good, man. No worries. No worries at all. Take care of that family. Okay, we are going to save. We are going to change games. I need to rearrange just a smidge. The wheel has to get taken down. Give me a second, chat. Yeah, let's just take the wheel down, shall we? Are you gonna freak out on me? No. You are not going to freak out on me. I am your master. You will not freak out. There we go. I don't know what that was. Just kidding. Um, the main reason too why I got on tonight, just a heads up, is weather is supposed to get really shitty where I'm at. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so let's go to let us actually, you know what? I was on for an hour. I think I'm actually going to call it and not stream. Um, maybe just play a little bit for fun and relax, or yeah, I will figure it out. Thank you for everybody who came and hung out tonight. Appreciate it. Um, I'll probably see you tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow sometime in the day. I do not have to work tomorrow, so bonus. All right. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.